Hi, y'all. My name is Kelly Wiggins, and I am really excited to be your professor for anatomy and physiology this semester. I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. I am a veterinarian by trade. I graduated from Texas A&M College of Veterinary Medicine in 1993. I practiced for 25 years and then started this full-time teaching at TCC South Campus. I do love it. I enjoy getting to know each of y'all, and I look forward to meeting you. I hope that I can really help you in anatomy and physiology. I hope that you find it as fun as I do. Even if you decide later on, you know what, medical field not for me, that's okay cuz hopefully you can take something from this class and apply it to life forever. Because the human body shouldn't be a mystery if you're a human. Um, anyway, I have four children. I have two grandchildren and two dogs, two cats, chickens, and although we're not going to have much time to visit about everybody's pet, um, I'm excited to talk to y'all about any of them that you may have. I'm going to make several different videos. They're all going to be short little videos, but I wanted to start with this welcome video so you could see my face before school even starts. And be sure and always read your announcements. You can set your announcements to chime because your announcements will go to your email. So go ahead and have your TCC my.tccd.edu email alert set up on your phone. That way, if I post an announcement, you'll know right away. All right. More on those kind of details in another video, though. Look forward to talking to all of y'all. Take care. Still recording.